Hi, Albertus from easyvid.com here. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to make YouTube thumbnails that stand out above your competition. The main aim of any YouTube thumbnail should be to persuade a new viewer to click on the thumbnail and watch your video. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. However, this is easier said than done. How do we then make a YouTube thumbnail that persuades a viewer to click on it? I'm glad you asked, because easyvid is here to help. Let's explore the following tips. Tip number 1. Make use of bright backgrounds. Bright backgrounds make your thumbnail stand out against the white background of YouTube. Your thumbnail will also stand out against other thumbnails without a bright background. You can also try using a sunburst or pinwheel effect. This immediately draws and focuses a viewer's eyes where you want them to go. It also makes your thumbnail stand out even more. Let's compare this YouTube thumbnail to this one. See how more eye-catching the colorful image is? Tip number 2. Make use of text. The correct way of using text is vital. If you use too many words, your message gets lost in the detail. A good example of using too many words is this YouTube thumbnail. Try focusing on 3 to 4 words maximum. Be sure to make your text stand out from the background with a heavy outline or the use of contrasting colors. This example tells us what the video is about in 3 simple words. Tip number 3. Make use of contrasting colors. Use complementary colors that stand out against one another. A simple trick is to use a color wheel and choose opposing colors. In this example, the blue letters stand out beautifully against the yellow background. This method immediately draws the viewer's eyes towards your thumbnail. Tip number 4. Use contrast and outlines. When you add contrast and outlines to a thumbnail, it makes the message the thumbnail needs to deliver pop out against the background. An added bonus is you're giving depth of field to the subject of their thumbnail, which makes this topic stand out even more. This YouTube thumbnail uses red and white contrasting, not only with each other, but is also brilliantly offset by the green and yellow background. Added standout features are the use of shadow on and the outlining of the words. Tip number 5. Use a close-up of a face, preferably one that makes eye contact. People's minds are wired to detect eye contact. Use close-ups of faces where the eyes are prominent. An added advantage is where the whites of the eyes are visible, thus making the eyes look bigger. In this thumbnail, your eyes are immediately drawn to the person's eyes. Not only do you see the white of the eyes, but the eyes are also accentuated by the clever use of makeup. Tip number 6. Use strong emotions. Use images of people or faces showing strong emotions like anger, aggression, amazement, or joy, to name a few. Strong emotions are easily detectable and make the viewer identify themselves with the emotion. This makes the viewer want to click on the thumbnail because by identifying with emotion, they want to find out more. The viewer feels emotionally connected to the image and is more motivated to click on your thumbnail than the others. Can you see the power in this? Have a look at this guy's emotion-laden face in reaction to a rugby match tackle. Tip number 7. Aim for consistency. Especially when you're trying to build brand awareness, consistency in thumbnail design can be vital. By using the basic same design with a few tweaks, viewers identify with your or your brand's videos. This YouTube thumbnail is followed by this one, then this one, and so it carries on. Tip number 8. Kiss. Keep it simple. Your thumbnail is competing against millions of others. If you can get your message across in the simplest form, your thumbnail will immediately stand out amongst all the clutter. This thumbnail is short, powerful, and to the point. Tip number 9. Test. Test different types of thumbnails against each other. See which ones give the best results. Analyze why. Then simply rinse and repeat. If all of the above seem a bit daunting, simply contact the team at easyvid.com. We're here to help with all your video marketing needs. And yes, this includes the creation of attention-grabbing thumbnails. Get in touch for your winning thumbnail design. Simply contact us at support@easyvid.com. The link will be in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so as not to miss out on further video marketing tips. See you in the next video.